Hey everyone, the Retroid Pocket 6 marks a major leap forward for Retroid, introducing its most powerful Android handheld console yet. Designed for gamers who want both native Android gaming and exceptional emulator performance, it brings flagship-level power to the palm of your hand. At its core, the device is driven by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the same high-end processor found in premium Android phones from 2022 and 2023, giving it more than enough strength to handle demanding titles and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. Retroid offers two configurations of the Pocket 6. The base model, priced at $209, comes with 8 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage, while the higher-end $259 version doubles both to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Storage expansion is easy thanks to a micro SD card slot, ensuring that players who run multiple large game libraries won't run out of space. Visually, the device retains the same excellent 5.5-inch AMOLED display from the previous Pocket G2 generation. The screen's full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate deliver crisp, fluid visuals that make both modern Android games and classic emulated titles look stunning. Beneath the display, Retroid has added extra shortcut buttons for improved in-game control and navigation, showing clear attention to ergonomic detail. The handheld weighs 320 grams and measures 210.4 by 86.6 by 17.2 millimeters, striking a balance between portability and comfort for long play sessions. Its build feels premium yet durable, suitable for travel and daily use. Inside, the device features an active cooling system to keep temperatures under control during extended gaming, allowing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to sustain performance without throttling. Battery life is supported by a 6,000 mAh cell with 27-watt fast charging that quickly gets you back into your games. Connectivity is another strong point. Wi-Fi 7 ensures ultra-fast online performance, Bluetooth 5.3 allows smooth controller or headphone pairing, and the USB 3.1 Type-C port includes DisplayPort output, enabling 4K gameplay at 60 frames per second on external monitors. This makes the Pocket 6 not just a handheld, but also a capable mini-console for home use. Retroid has also included thoughtful hardware touches, such as Hall Effect 3D joysticks for precision control and analog L2 and R2 triggers that enhance both racing and action games. The presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack will please traditional gamers who still prefer wired audio. Running Android 13 out of the box, the system supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring future stability and improvements directly from Retroid. Overall, the Retroid Pocket 6 feels like a milestone in Android handheld gaming. It blends the sleek polish of a modern flagship device with the nostalgic appeal and versatility of an emulator powerhouse. With strong specifications, fast charging, excellent display quality, and flexible connectivity, it is set to be one of the most well-rounded handhelds when it hits the market in early January 2026. In comparison, Ioneo's newly announced Pocket Air Mini, with its smaller 4.2-inch LCD, Helio G90T chip, and entry-level $69 price, offers a budget alternative. However, for those who want uncompromised power and performance in a portable form factor, the Retroid Pocket 6 clearly sets a new benchmark. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.